My name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. I have to get out of here as usual, so I'm going to try to do this fast. I'm going to use my Bad Habit Retro Love palette, which is a dupe for the Subculture palette. So if you have Subculture or something of similar colors, you can definitely follow along. Or of course, if you have this from when they were selling it. I don't know whatever happened to that Shop Hush app website thing. Very unfortunate because they had nice things. I'm starting off with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 100 Translucent and my dollar store brush to set my eyeshadow primer, just to make sure the eyeshadows don't stick and like not blend. Next I'm going into Rebel, which is a mustard yellow kind of color. And that's going to be my transition shade. And I'm using my fluffy brush from Wish to apply that. What I should mention is that I'm using this for my mattes. I'm using something else for my shimmers. Next I'm taking my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it and I'm going into Hippie, which is a matte olive green. And that's going to be my crease shade. And it also matches my pants. I don't know why I just tried to move that eyeshadow with my finger. That's not going to work very well. Then I'm going in with my IBY crease brush and going into Free Love, which is a matte teal kind of color, and I'm going to just go deeper into my crease with that. I'm also going to use that color on my outer third. And then just kind of blend it a little bit. Next I'm going in with my Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow in Khaki Kool. I love these. I don't know why they make less colors of them now. But this is going on my inner 2/3. And then I'm just gonna tap it a little. Make sure it's as blended as it's gonna get. Then for my brow bone highlight, I'm going in with the Too Faced Candlelight Glow highlighter in Warm Glow with my dollar store brush. And I'm just going to apply that here. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye! See you next time!